First time for everything and the first time I've milked a goat.
Let's try once more. Let's start.
They're not working. They're not working.
Now
I got it.
Bravo, good job.
Now I got it.
Behind us, up in the mountains, is the place where Zeus, the god of gods and the god of hospitality, was born and raised. So that's why the people from Crete, they have it, they have this feeling from within, the feeling of hospitality. Crete, it's a special place. It's blessed because of its location and the combination of the mountains and the sea. This is the real life. This is paradise still existing on earth. The main characteristic of the Greek lifestyle is Meraklis, enjoying always the best products, best company, best places, not fancy ones, natural things. Cretan diet is the crown of the Mediterranean diet. This is the way we used to grow up. I still remember 40 years ago in the villages, that was everyday life. You have to get up early in the morning, open your door, go to the garden, pick up the vegetables, pick up the salad, and you had the healthiest, the most tasty diet in the world from your garden. In this area alone, we have olive oils, we have the grapes, we have the vines, we have the vegetable production, products to cover the whole season. We also make exceptionally good organic wines.
And what do you look for in a great wine?
A great company to enjoy with. You have to be other people to enjoy together life.
And famously you make raki too.
Raki is the local drink. It's made from whatever is left after crushing the grapes.
But what if you have smelly feet?
It's good for the wine.
Can you just explain some of the activities that we'll be doing together today?
We have the tour in the different areas of the Agreco. They see how things they were be doing 20, 30 years ago. Be a farmer for a day. It's a program for adults, and we have a parallel program for children. It's called Junior Farmers. We start with the bread because the bread cannot wait. The ready bread, warm bread with amazing organic Agreco Farms olive oil. Liquid gold of Crete. We have the goat ready to be milked to make fresh cheese.
We have to boil the milk until it foams. 1, 2, 3. Σταύρωσέ το. Ready. Αυτό ήτανε.
Unique culinary dining experience during daytime.
Right now we are going to make traditional stuffed vegetables. And if you don't add a lot, it will be not so tasty later. Really. You have to add a lot of olive oil.
Voila.
Bravo. This is very easy.
Okay, so this is beginners.
Yes.
Let's move on straight to advanced, please.
For the beginners.
This feels to me like a very unique property.
It is a very unique, as you said. Thank you for saying this. We have guests that have been 50, 70 times here. We have guests that they brought babies and now they come with their own families. The other ones that they come for the first time, first of all, they recognize this hospitality feeling. All the work and all the sweat of the people work to do the organic cultivations, and that something is different from the rest of their experience, the whole day experience. You feel the soul of it. When guests leave from the Agreco farm, we want to have the feeling that they experience the real paradise on earth, still found these days.